I want to learn Telugu.
And I'm a Telugu.
So come learn Telugu with us. The word for the week is
Nah. Let's do sentences today. Let me teach you the who are you, how are you, what are you doing kind of sentences. Who are you? So who is
ఎవరు.
you?
Wait. నువ్వు.
Who are you is
నువ్వు ఎవరు. ఎవరు నువ్వు. ఎవరు నువ్వు. I tried to say it in Kannada. In Kannada it's like ನೀನ್ ಯಾರು.
correct.
So-
I mean it works both ways. So we did.
I can't believe I remembered.
Where are you?
Where
Where?
is forgotten it.
Ekkada.
ఎక్కడ నువ్వు.
We can do నువ్వు ఎక్కడ.
నువ్వెక్కడ.
How are you?
How. Wait. How is wait. Etla is not forgotten. Teacher is going to hit me, guys. She's like, you're not doing homework. Do Anusha.
How?
Etla is correct. Tricking me.
Yeah. You won't say ఎట్లా నువ్వు. You say ఎట్ల ఉండావు.
ఎట్ల ఉండావు.
So ఎట్లా ఉండావు.
ఎట్లా ఉండావు. ఉండాను అలా ఉండావు.
You're asking another person.
ఉండావు is question mark.
Question mark.
నువ్వు ఎట్లా ఉండావు.
Correct. What are you doing?
What is ఏమి. I'll try.
Okay,
Let me try.
let's go.
నువ్వు ఏమి. I think I know this.
Okay, tell me.
చేస్తుండావు.
చేస్తా ఉండవు.
నువ్వు ఏం చేస్తా ఉండావు.
Correct.
Okay, let me try again. Shoot.
Who are you?
నువ్వు ఎవరు.
What are you doing?
నువ్వు ఏమి చేస్తా ఉండావు.
Correct. How are you?
నువ్వు ఎట్లా ఉండావు.
Correct. Where are you?
ఎక్కడ. నువ్వు ఎక్కడ ఉండావు.
Correct. Now you know sentences.
But I'm very disappointed that so much I forgot. Now I have to go to revision, guys. Bye.